Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Chesney. I have a story for you. Bear Snores On. The author is Karma Wilson, and the illustrator is Jane Chapman. Same author and illustrator as this book. She wrote this one too. Remember I read to you Bear Once More? Well, now we have Bear Snores On. First page, title page. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Listen for the rhyming words. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight. He sleeps through the day and he sleeps through that's right, night. The cold wind howl and the night sounds growl. But the bear snores on. That's what you're going to say. When I put my arm up like this and my hand out, say the bear snores on. I need your help. And an itty bitty mouse, pitter pat tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff of the cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Ooh, too damp, too dank, too dark." And he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip pop and the wind doesn't stop. Your turn. But the bear snores on. Nothing's waking him up. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Oh, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But, your turn. The bear snores on. Nothing's waking him up. A badger scuffles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "I brought some honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch. Your turn. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters Wen, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they tither, they chat and they chither, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his own lair. So look at that. They're all having a party, but not Bear, because what's he doing? He's sound asleep. Well, this is his time to hibernate. It's winter time. Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small little tiny pepper flake. You know salt and pepper? Makes the bear. This happens to me too whenever I put pepper on my food. You know what he's going to do? Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. That was a loud sneeze. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls, and Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. He's angry. "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun but me, and I was sleeping and I've had none." And he whimpers, and he moans, and he wails, and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. And Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see? We can pop more corn, and we can brew more tea." So that will make him happy. Bear gulps and bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. And when the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. So now his friends are sleeping and he's wide awake. Oh, that's cute. Oh, I enjoyed that story. Okay, boys and girls, until next time.